Hello guys, and today I am going to do Scratch and teach you how to make a platformer episode 1. So just go to the website Scratch. Create a new project. Make sure you're signed up to an account. If you don't have signed up to an account, just watch my other Scratch videos on how to use Scratch, and that will help you. Just press create. Alright, so in this Scratch project, so I'd recommend you name it something. I'm going to name it platformer. So you want to name, so we have this sprite here, so I'd recommend you name it. Just go down here, and I'm going to name it player. So this is going to be our player. Now it kind of looks a bit boring, so go to costumes, delete this costume by going up here. Or actually going up here, or you can press the delete key on your keyboard. Oh no, you can't do that. I meant you can press this delete. Now you can press this delete button here, and then you can draw something. So I'm just gonna draw a simple square, no outline, and we're just gonna click, and I'm gonna drag. And I'm going to make it around this size, then click and drag around to move this shape when I'm done. So this, I'm going to make some eyes later. Actually, I'm making some eyes now. So get this circle tool, change the color to black, or you don't need to do black, but I like to do black. So you can Control C this, Control V that. Move this eye over here. We can make it a mouth. So I'm gonna make this a lot better, but for now we're just gonna do this. So we have our player, but it's not really standing in anything yet. So we want to kind of change it. So we need to make a level here and make a level. And we have this level. So I'm just going to make a purple square. Next episode we will make some obstacles. So you don't want to make it the same. You just click and drag this. I'm going to drag it here. Let's cursor. Let's resize this a bit. Was that enough? Yeah, we'll just resize it a tiny bit. There we are. We have to drag this. Resize this. Probably this. There we are. I don't know what's going on. Maybe we put it in the center. Yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay. So this is what we have. We can put other stuff. Let me just change the color a bit. Don't really like it. A bit more like that color, even though we can maybe make it like that a bit more. Yeah, I actually think that's pretty good. So we have this level, so I want to drag this over here. So just click and drag over here. Now we can actually get into the code section. So in the player, get a one start clicked in the event section. Click and drag. Just click on the block, then drag it, and then when you're ready, just click here. And then we want to get a Gozy block in motion section. Just make sure, and connect it to this one start corner. It should have this little shadow, and just click, or yeah, I'll do it. And then that it sometimes does it like. Oh, okay. So make sure it's set. It'll set to the current position of this. See, it set it automatically to this. So set automatically. We've moved this. You see it updates in here, and it updates when we click it out. So that's really useful. It should always sets it back. So, and also you're going to do this exact same thing in level. Since it already sets automatically, just get one clock, and go to block. Okay, so that's it. So we just move everything around, like this, and then we press go. It goes back here. Okay, so that's really useful, I guess. So now we want to make some player movement. So what you want to do also, we can scroll down. Where is it? We can get a show block. This might be useful later. Okay, now we can get a forever block. Make sure you still selected the player. Make sure this whole code we're doing is selected in player. Well, what we're about to do. So get a if statement. Then you can right click on this and duplicate. Right click, duplicate. You want to make 4. Actually, you only want to make 3 because this is 2D. So left, right, and jump. So you want to go to sensing. Go to key space pressed and get them out. Just get them out. And so this first one can be. I'm gonna go right arrow, which should go this way, and left arrow. And this we can just leave space. Let's jump. So for right arrow, it's pretty easy. All you want to do is here, change X. It will be in the motion section. Put it in the if statement and change this to 1. Duplicate this. Put it in this one though, and instead of just being 1, which is going this way, you can make it -1, which is going that way. So it will constantly check if we're touching the left arrow. If we are, we move this way because -1 is this way. So yeah, if we will change this to like 2, it would go a bit more. -1. So if we test this out right now, go to full screen by pressing this. Press the green flag again. If we where's the arrows? Here. So if we go here, see? Now I can go this way. So I'm pressing the arrows right now, and it should move if you did everything right. I'm gonna actually change this a bit. We'll go -3, and we'll change this to 3-2. So I'm just doing that to make it a bit more faster. So it should be a bit faster. Yep, it's faster. So now the last thing I'm going to do of this episode is make the jump button. So we can make a new variable, delete this because we don't need it, and just name it gravity. So when we want to use like the gravity in someone, we can just use this variable instead. Force bytes, because this is going to be for lots of sprites. So we can just set the gravity to 0 for now. We'll talk about it later. So we can change Y by gravity or something. We can change Y by how much when we jump. How much do we want to jump by? We can jump by let's go 2, positive 2. And then we can get another change Y. Make sure it's change, not set. Get another change Y, and instead make this -2. So if we play this right now, full screen mode, if you want to, and we press space. What's going on? Oh yeah. So guys, the reason why it's not working, is because as soon as we go up, it's just going to go down because of -2. So we need to wait a bit before we go down, and this is why we have gravity here. So we go to control, we go to wait, and we put it in the middle of these two blocks in the if statement. And put gravity in there. So it's gonna wait 30 seconds, but since gravity equals 0, it's not gonna do anything, so it's gonna be the same. So we need to change this to something. So if I change it to, it's gonna wait. Let's change it to 0.5 actually. It's gonna wait 0.5 seconds before it goes down. So, first of all, it's not actually the 0.5. Actually, it's just how much we're jumping by. Let me undo that. Can we undo this stuff? No, we can't. Oh yeah, we can. Oh, I think I might have just messed it up. Oh, you should really have an undo pin. Oh, we need to set gravity again to 0.5. You can put it above or above the go-to block. So it's taking so long. Let's go down here, and I'm gonna change this poverty to a 10. That's a lot, but it should be good. Because this is a. So if we jump, that's more like it. I might just bump that up to 20 or 15. I'll go 18 just to get those filling in. The reason why I'm making this higher because this is a wide screen, especially when I'm in full screen mode. So if I go, yeah, that's more like it. I might make the 0.5 a 0.3. So you don't have to change this, you only have to change the variable. So gravity will be 0.3 because we'll use this variable later, which I hope will be really useful. Go 0.3. This will be a bit quicker. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. And also, so this is pretty good. So I think this will be the end of the video. So click out of this, and then I would recommend you wait, just move this around a bit, and press save now. You won't see it if you're not signed in, but you should. Just save now. Just save the project saved. You can either go here, press my stuff, or you can just click the scratch icon. I'm gonna click this scratch icon. So it should all be saved in my stuff in the platformer. So in episode 2 we will learn how to do obstacles and health and lots more, and some background music too in episode 2. Okay, so like and subscribe. Hope you liked this video. Let me close the window. I'm using OBS. Alright, hope you liked this video. Bye.